Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Sintra, Portugal, and this is the Pena Palace, and it's amazing and incredible, and the colors are amazing, and the architecture is amazing. Let's take a look. So let me show you what we're looking at here. It is crazy. So yellow, and then purple and white, and then it's got a red tower up there you can see too. Wow. Nice camera. She had a pocket as well. Wow, wow. And they've got Christmas set up too, which is really cool. And this is the entranceway. Tunnel. And it is way up here on the very tippy top of a mountain with like 6 or 7 palaces. So let me get up here and I'll start again. Bye. All right, everybody, there is a line to get inside, and the tickets are kind of confusing. Is it a ticket to get to the palace, or is it tickets to get inside the courtyard or the gardens? Or so certainly interesting. Wow. Amazing. All right. Oh, look at the guy with the tree. Huh, amazing. Okay. I'll be back. Wow. So I climbed up one of these towers.
You did?
Oh, this, I'm just talking on this one. No, you're fine. I just do a YouTube video. So this will be on YouTube the day you're here.
Oh, take care, be safe.
These are the towers I climbed up on right here. And you can see how far down that is too. Wow. And that's how far down the city is. Wow. Amazing.
Come give me a phone. Come here.
Purple, yellow, and red. Good combination. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the insides. And you have to show your tickets like 4 times. Wow. This is going to be one of those push your way through the lines. This reminds me of, pardon me, Count Dracula's tour. Here's the bedroom.
Sim, mas era o teu pai que estava, não era? Eu sabia que estava aí.
Mira los papeles, mira, mira. Los papeles del gabinete aquel. Ari.
¿Qué?
Y no, ya sabiste que miraras el gabinete.
Yeah, so you end up having to wait for everybody to take a picture. But I'll be back. And the next room. Yeah, this is kind of silly. No pass zone. Toilets. I'll be back. This is the clock tower. And there's lots of information on these things, but I've been trying to make it a point to make my videos a little lower in time. Oop. Excuse me. I'll be back. All right, in this bathroom they have a bathroom, or in this room they have a bathroom and a bed and a couple chairs and another bed over there, and the ceiling is pretty amazing. And you can see the line situation here. Crazy. All right, I'll be back. Okay, another bedroom. And the ceilings are just incredible. And the rooms are amazing. The beds are small. I don't even know that I'd fit on that. And the line situation. And the views are amazing though. I can't really see out of them, but see the ceiling? And the walls are the same way. Oop, let me slide by you. Oop, sorry. Sorry, thank you, thank you. Pardon me. Thank you. There's a big tour group in front of me, so.
Questa era l'anticamera dell'anticamera.
Wow. Amazing. I'll be back. Okay. Look at that armoire. That's amazing. No problem. Wow. They're working on it. With your help, we're restoring the heritage. I'll be back.
Mira, no estaba tan lejos como íbamos de madera, mira. Pero ya van igual. Las mismas flores.
Und verkleidete sich in Kinder und die hatte mit Nikolaus gespielt, der König.
Maybe the stairs down now. I'll be back. Yeah, and then you get out of that crowd. There's a room called the Salados. It had like a round table and stuff, but there's like 40, 50 people in front of it, and so you can't really see it unless you're willing to wait. And they dump you out at the kitchen. Cool. And look at the little bakery forms they have here. And this is the kitchen area. Pretty amazing. And then the outside area for a coffee. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, after you get through the whatever that little place where you buy coffee and soda is, you end up getting to the chapel. And it's starting to rain and it's starting to get nasty, so, but I think this here is the chapel. Oop.
Ay,
Oh, sorry. And so, we might as well go look, huh? Sorry. Thanks, man.
T'es allé voir, Ruben? Ruben, t'es allé voir?
El retablo de Sala es súper bonito, ¿eh?
All right. And the stained glass is amazing too. Okay, everybody, I think that's the end of this video. If I find anything else, I'll come back. But if I don't come back, then you know this is the end of all the sites I got to see. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.